Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube video on 10 essential tips for creating a successful blog, a beginner's guide. If you're looking to start a blog but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 essential tips for creating a successful blog so that you can start your blogging journey on the right foot. Define your niche and target audience. First things first, you need to define your niche and target audience. Your niche is the topic or area you want to focus your blog on, and your target audience is the group of people you want to reach with your content. To choose your niche, think about your interests and passions and identify what you want to write about. Once you've chosen your niche, you'll want to research your target audience. You can do this by using social media analytics tools to learn about their demographics, interests, and behavior. Choose the right blogging platform. Next, you'll want to choose the right blogging platform. There are many blogging platforms out there, but the most popular one is WordPress. WordPress is user-friendly, easy to customize, and offers a range of plugins and themes to make your blog stand out. Once you've chosen your blogging platform, you'll want to set up your blog by choosing a domain name and designing your site. Create high-quality content. Now it's time to create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is essential for building an audience and keeping them engaged. There are many types of blog posts, such as listicles, how-to guides, and opinion pieces. To create engaging content, use storytelling, use visuals, and write in a conversational tone. Promote your blog. Once you've created your content, it's time to promote your blog. Promoting your blog is important for reaching a wider audience. You can promote your blog through social media marketing, guest blogging, and influencer outreach. To build a social media following, post consistently, engage with your followers, and use hashtags to increase your reach. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal following. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build relationships with other bloggers and industry influencers. This will help you to build trust and authority in your niche. Analyze your blog's performance. Finally, you'll want to analyze your blog's performance. Analyzing your blog's performance is essential for improving its success. You can track metrics such as page views, bounce rate, and time on site using analytics tools such as Google Analytics. Use this data to make informed decisions about how to improve your blog's performance. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 essential tips for creating a successful blog. Remember to define your niche and target audience, choose the right blogging platform, create high-quality content, promote your blog, engage with your audience, and analyze your blog's performance. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.